How are you, sir? Your health?
I'm still very weak, and it's difficult a little bit nowadays to speak the way I did with a lot of energy. So, Shazia, you're looking great. Where is your sister? Where is your cousin? Where is your cousin, Shazia?
I don't know, sir.
Don't know. But you live in the same house. Hey,
Yes,
Devendra.
sir.
Good evening, sir.
Welcome back, Devendra. How was your exam?
Nice, sir.
Good, good.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hello, Adib. Good evening, beta. Hello, Sana.
How are you, sir?
Better, beta. Better than earlier, but I haven't recovered completely. I mean, the fever is gone, but when you get this viral infection, your body feels weak for quite some time, actually. And what did you guys do in the holidays? Did you enjoy yourself?
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Apurva. Good evening.
So, sir, how are you?
Better,
Sir,
better.
today my camera will be off, sir. I am okay.
Irshad, turn your camera on, Irshad. Irshad, are you there? Speaking
Sir,
feels
now
like
you are better.
not really so much,
Your
like
voice is your voice is not good, sir. I
my
think
voice is not very strong.
yes, sir, not very strong.
You're right. Then
I
I'm
think
healthy.
you feel low, little
Very
bit.
weak, very weak actually.
Yes, sir.
Speaking seems like a very difficult exercise right now.
Hello, sir. Good evening,
Hello,
sir.
Abhishek. Hello.
How are you, sir?
Good
Better.
evening,
Hello,
sir.
Zeba. Hello, Sayogita ma'am.
Nice to meet you, sir.
And you don't
How
say
are you,
nice.
sir?
I'm
How
I'm
are
I'm
you?
better. I'm better. And you're looking very different, Sayogita ma'am. You're
Why?
looking, I don't know, you're looking much, much younger. Guys,
Oh,
Sayogita ma'am is
अच्छा
looking younger, isn't she?
अच्छा yes, she is.
She's looking much younger. I don't know whether it is her red dupatta or what, but she's looking much younger. Ask anybody to guess your age, and they would say 30.
No, no, no. I am 44 years old. As well as you.
25, sir.
आपके जित-
Exactly, as old as you are. As old as you are. Hello, Afreen Beta. It feels good to be back with you. I missed you guys and I was sick, and it doesn't feel good when you're sick. When you're down with a fever, you're in bed, you just get bored, really bored. And the pain in the body and the feeling of discomfort, all these things are absolutely awful. Abhishek, you said, nice to meet you. You say this to somebody you meet for the first time. You don't say this to somebody you are meeting again. I know what you wanted to say. You wanted to say, nice to see you again in the class.
Yes,
Nice to
Yes,
see
nice
you
to
back
see
in the
you again
class.
in the class.
Yeah, see you back in the class, right? Like that. ये अच्छा लग रहा है कि क्लास में वापस आ गए सर, है ना? It's good to be back. आप कह सकते
nice
हैं,
to see you.
it's good to be back.
How was your Raksha Bandhan, sir?
Raksha Bandhan is typical. My sister was here this year though.
Yes,
And
sir.
I don't know. I do not
Good
feel
evening, sir.
particularly happy. Hello, Kashif. I do not feel particularly happy for any festivals anymore.
Why, sir?
Don't know. Don't know the reason. Irshad, are you there, Irshad? Irshad.
Hello.
Yes, Irshad. Turn your camera on.
Okay.
Afreen,
Excuse
beta.
me, sir. Video of 14th
Hello.
August, you do
Yeah.
not send in the WhatsApp or
On the
your Telegram.
on the 14th video.
Yes, yes, yes.
I uploaded it yesterday, I think. I
Oh.
did. Yesterday or the day before yesterday, I uploaded it. Didn't I
Sir,
share?
yesterday you shared that in the.
Yeah, yesterday.
Yesterday he said, oh.
Yes, I did. You're looking different, Irshad.
Yes, sir.
Very different.
Because of my hair, I think.
Yes, yes. Change your getup completely.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Sulekha. How are you doing, Sulekha? How are your children? Oh, your internet. Everybody, keep your cameras on. You know the rules we
sir.
have in the class. If the camera is
Fine,
off,
sir.
I will put you guys in the waiting room. You will not be back again into the class if you turn your camera off. So we are in unit 3. There was homework and I was very excited about your class, but then that glass of water that night on the 14th, hmm. Let's see. So guys, here we are. Present simple. The British Airways pilot. Read about Helen Walker. First of all, you have to do this crossword days of the week. It was easy, right? You had to just complete these days. These are
Sir,
7
can you
days
please
of the
tell me
week.
the page number?
This is page
16.
number 16. I'm very confused right now, disoriented. Okay, so page number 16 it is.
Okay.
Which day is at the top here? Wednesday, W-E-D-N, no.
Wednesday.
No, not Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E, no. Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D. T-U-E-S, no, not Tuesday.
Saturday. Thursday, sir.
S S-A-T-U-R, S-A-T-U-R, yes, Saturday, yeah. Saturday goes here. And
No
then this
Saturday, Thursday, yeah, sir.
T-H-U-R-S. Yeah, Thursday
Thursday.
it can be Thursday as well. It can be Thursday as well, of course. Okay. So if it is Thursday, yeah, then we will get S here and then we will have Sunday.
Yes, sir.
The standing, down will be Sunday.
Sunday.
And then this will be Wednesday. This will be Monday, of course. Monday or Friday?
Monday, sir.
Monday
And
and
upper
here,
one with the Friday.
yeah, because we will
Friday.
get Saturday here,
Saturday.
Saturday, yeah, Friday, and here Tuesday.
Tuesday, yes, sir.
Good. Now read about Helen Walker and complete the text with a verb from the boxes. Flying high. Captain Helen Walker is a pilot with 25 years experience. Helen Walker is a pilot with 25 years experience. 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 25 years experi Captain Helen Walker is a pilot
Pilot.
with 25 years experience. 25 years experience, guys. She has 25 years experience. She's a collector of dolls. She's also a collector of dolls. She is a collector of dolls. Repeat the sentence, everybody.
She is the
He is
collector of
collector
dogs.
of dogs.
Now, say the same thing using the verb collect.
Collect. To collect.
She collects doll.
Perfect. She collects dolls. She's a collector of dolls means
She collects.
she collects dolls. I am a teacher of
collecting
English
dolls.
means
You teach
You
English.
teach English.
very
You
good.
teach English.
Very good. She's a collector of dolls from around the world. Helen Walker is 49 and she comes from, we are going to use these verbs here. Works, comes, flies, doesn't have, earns, watch, go. And we have another box on the right side. We will use
She
them.
works.
Yeah, these verbs to complete the text. Let's read. Helen Walker is 49. Acha, did you notice that we can use this preposition with to give extra information? Captain Helen Walker is a pilot with 25 years experience. With word, with is a preposition. Everybody knows with.
Yes.
With is a preposition. And some children, some students think it is pronounced with. It is not with. Okay, it is with. With. TH can be pronounced
With.
and TH can also be pronounced as the.
With.
So here it is pronounced with. Okay.
With.
Exactly, with. So with here is a lovely preposition which allows you to add some extra information. Captain Helen Walker is a pilot with 25 years experience. So if you notice, you have two sentences put together as one sentence. If you want, you can break it down into two sentences. You can say,
Yes, sir.
Captain Helen Walker
Captain
is a
Helen.
pilot. Full stop.
She is a 25 years old.
He is 25 years
She
old.
has 25 years experience.
Everybody, the second
has
sentence will be, she has 25 years of experience
Experience.
or 25 years experience. All right. So when you put them together, you say Captain Helen Walker is a pilot with 25 years experience and a collector of dolls from around the
She
world. From around the world. Around the world means
All
all over
दुनिया
the
के
world.
चारों तरफ से मतलब
All over the world.
सभी
All over the world, Sangeeta
कंट्री
ma'am.
से
All over
Yes,
the world.
yes,
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 all
yes.
the countries. Exactly.
Mm.
From around the world, from various countries, from different countries, right? I am a teacher with 18 years of experience. All right. If I say, you can describe, people and places, and you can use the preposition with and give extra information. He has a nice house with a big garden. He has a nice house with a big garden. Got it? So with preposition is often used to add more information. You guys can make a similar sentence, everybody. Go ahead. Or maybe you can practice it later in the group. I suggest you guys have a.
I am a software engineer with 2-year experience.
2-year experience.
2 years of experience.
Yes.
And look at the way years is written. Okay, the spelling matters, everybody. So you got to pay attention. And I just want to tell you all, if you guys get a marker, highlighter,
Yes, sir.
and the parts which I describe more in detail, highlight those parts in the book so that
Okay, sir.
whenever you look back at the book, you know that the teacher taught these things in more detail and you could try and recall what I taught you. It helps. Highlighters help, they help smart students learn better, organize themselves. Okay. Helen Walker is 49. Helen Walker is 49 and she comes from Guildford in the south of England. All right. She is 49. She comes from Guildford in the south of England. What is Guildford, guys?
That's country name.
No,
It's a
Atif.
That's
Should-
It's a place.
Yeah, Atif, listen,
it's
beta.
place.
What happens? Country is a particular type of place. We cannot know whether Guildford is a city or a town or a village. We will not know that because we live so far away from England. So we will not know. But one thing we will know is Guildford is a place, and that everybody should know. Some students, when they see an unfamiliar word, their mind stops working completely. Some students have this weakness when they read a sentence in English, and if the sentence has a word they have never listened before, they have never heard before, then they suddenly stop thinking, their mind stops thinking, and they say, what is that word? They cannot think about it at all. But I want you guys to understand at least the category of the word. Helen Walker is 49 and she comes from Guildford in the south of England. So when you read this sentence, she comes from Guildford. One thing you should observe, Guildford is a proper noun because it is written with a capital G.
Yes.
Now, a proper noun can be a name of a person. It can be a name of a place. Now tell me, in this case, is it a person or a place?
Place, sir.
Obviously, right? So that's all. This much information is enough that she comes from Guildford. Guildford is a place in the south of England. Now we have extra information. Guildford is a place, and we also understand where Guildford is. Where is it?
South of the England.
It
South
is
of
in the
England.
it is
It
as
is
a
in the
it
south
is
of
a-
England.
It is in the south of England.
this is a better way of answering, okay? It is in the south of England. When you only said south of England, that was not a sentence. But when you said it is in the south of England, then this makes better sense, okay? It is in the south of England. Number two, she works for British Airways. She works for British Airways.
British Airways.
Now, again, we will see British Airways. What's that?
She flies.
British
Works.
Airways is the name of the company that she works for. Remember?
She works for British Airways.
That train driver works for Eurostar, and this woman works for British Airways, right? Number three, she
She
flies
flies.
747s from London Heathrow to New York JFK 3 times a week. She flies 747s from London Heathrow to New York. Now you're reading, and I hope you understand what it means as well. She flies 747s. 747s, do you understand what 747 refers to?
Yes, sir. Plane.
Name of aeroplane.
Name of the
What's
name
that?
of British
Aircraft number.
Airways. It is the name of British Airways.
No, Apurva. It is the
It's
name of a
It's
aircraft
flight.
name of
number.
aeroplane, sir.
It is the name of a flight aeroplane. Okay.
Name of a flight.
Name of an aeroplane. A type of aeroplane. 747 is a type of aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
She flies 747s. Apurva beta, can somebody fly British Airways?
No, sir.
So
British
747
Airways.
is not British Airways, right? 747 is the type of planes. I would like to show you guys the photos of 747s. First of all, I'm going to share my Google Chrome with you. And notice
Aeroplane number, sir.
I'll type 747 and that's it. I'll leave. Boeing 747 it is actually. Is a big plane. 747s are very big planes. They are very big planes, not 2 people, 4 people plane. Now, you want to know how many people can sit there in a 747? How many
Sir.
people can sit in a 747?
$400.
My goodness, guys, Boeing 747s can sit 400 people. Hmm. Some can sit 440 people. Some can sit 550 people. Amazing. Some 747s can sit 660 people. That's an amazing number, huge number. Okay, so she flies big aeroplanes, jumbo jets. Jumbo. Jumbo means big, okay? Jumbo. She flies 747s. Acha beta, why is there S747s? Okay, let me explain. You guys know there are 2 types of nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, right? So if you want to talk about countable nouns in general, then you prefer the plural form. For example, I don't like films or I don't like film, which is correct.
I don't like film.
I don't like films.
Films.
I don't like films. I don't like films.
Right.
Films.
I don't eat tomato. I don't eat tomatoes, which is better.
Tomatoes.
I don't
I
eat
don't like tomatoes.
Come on, everybody.
I don't eat tomatoes.
You know,
don't eat tomatoes.
yeah. Shabnam is not here. When I was in Gaya and I talked to her teacher, that nice guy, he was very friendly, very, very kind. You know, he made a sentence where he said a singular game, he used the word game. I don't like playing game. Which is correct. I don't like playing game. I don't like playing games.
I don't like playing games.
Like playing
I don't like playing games.
Exactly.
Games.
And
don't like.
unfortunately, that teacher said, I don't like playing game. I said, why did you say game? Why didn't you say games? He said he didn't have a reason, okay? Because most Biharis do not use a plural form. Moni, how are you doing, Moni? You are here.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. We didn't have classes for such a long time. Moni is in a very crowded place. I think it's noisy where he is. So
Yes, sir. I am in the office. That's why.
Oh, I see. Yes, he told me that, this 5:30 class timing is going to be a bit difficult for him. I hope you manage to, find time to attend classes. And if you find it too difficult, Moni, then don't worry. The recording will be available, okay? So I was saying,
Okay.
I don't like playing games. Again, game is a countable noun, okay? So what will you say? I like talking to girl. I like talking to girls.
I like
Like
talking
I
to
like
girls.
talking to girls. I like
Characterless
talking.
people.
Hmm.
Abhishek and Adib, you're so young, Adib, and you're saying you like talking to girls? Shame on you. I'm gonna share this recording with your father and what you
No,
said.
sir.
You said that. You
आपने
just
नहीं
said
बोला
that.
sir.
Beta,
No,
man.
sir.
No, Adib, you should not have said that. You should have said, I don't like talking to girls.
Yes, I don't like. But
But I do actually. Okay. The point is, I like talking to girls. This is the right sentence, not I like talking to girl. Okay. Because again, girl is a countable noun, isn't it? So when you talk about countable nouns in general, normal बात करते हैं, उसपे कोई specific बात नहीं है. तो स्पेसिफिक ना मतलब नाउन्स इन जनरल. जैसे मुझे लड़की, ऐसे हिंदी में भी तो अच्छी हिंदी में कैसे बोलते हैं, मुझे लड़कियों से बात करना
लड़कियों
अच्छा
से
लगता
बात करना अच्छा
है. कोई
लगता है या
कौन
नहीं?
कहता है मुझे लड़की से बात करना अच्छा लगता है? ऐसा तो बिहारी सिर्फ कहते हैं हम. राइट, हम बिहारी कभी प्लूरल नहीं बोलते. बिहारीज डू नॉट यूज प्लूरल. ओके, वो कहते हैं दो ठो लड़की खड़ी है बाहर. दो ठो लड़की. लड़की. देवेंद्र इज नॉट फ्रॉम बिहार बाय द वे, राइट देवेंद्र? यू आर फ्रॉम राजस्थान. देवेंद्र, व्हाट डू यू
Yes,
से?
sir.
दो लड़की खड़ी है, दो लड़कियां खड़ी हैं बाहर.
लड़कियां घर.
Yeah, exactly. So Biharis do not use plural, Devin. And that's the reason a lot of us, when we speak English, we mess up singular plural big time. Really badly. So guys, I'm giving you a simple, formula tip that will help you. Use the plural unless you need the singular. क्या समझे? Use the plural unless you need the singular. मतलब बचपन में कहा गया था तुम्हें कि प्लूरल की जरूरत पड़ेगी तो एस लगा लेना. मैं कह रहा हूं प्लूरल ही बोलते चलो जब तक सिंगुलर की जरूरत ना समझ में आए. इज दैट क्लियर? दिस विल हेल्प यू बेटर. जहां तक हो सके प्लूरल बोलो. जब लगे नहीं प्लूरल क्यों बोलूं, यहाँ तो सिंगुलर की जरूरत है तो सिंगुलर बोलो. ओके. अदरवाइज थंब ऑफ द रूल ऑफ द थंब कहते हैं इसको. बस प्लूरल ही बोलते चलो, बात खत्म. सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन बोलना ही नहीं है, हमेशा प्लूरल बोलना है. मुझे लड़कों से बात करने में मजा नहीं आता. आई डोंट एंजॉय टॉकिंग टू बॉयज.
Boys.
boys.
ओके, लाइक दैट. स्वेटर पहनने में हमको बहुत मुश्किल, अच्छा नहीं लगता. आई फील अनकंफर्टेबल व्हेन आई वेयर
स्वेटर.
Sweater.
स्वेटर्स. बोल लीजिए व्हेन आई वेयर स्वेटर्स. ऑलराइट. तो वैसे ही संडे को हम फिल्म देखते हैं.
I
I
watch it.
I watch movie on Sundays.
पूर्वा, व्हाई डिड यू से मूवी? सिंगुलर है वो. यही तो मेन पर्पस था.
I watch movies
I watch
on
movies
Sunday.
on Sunday.
हाँ, तो वही मेरा पॉइंट ये है बेटा कि आपका दिमाग इस चीज के लिए तैयार है कि जब भी सिंगुलर नाउन बोलना है, जब जरूरत है सिंगुलर की, ऑब्वियस जरूरत है, तो सिंगुलर बोलेंगे, नहीं तो हम प्लूरल बोलेंगे. इसलिए मैंने कहा हम संडे को फिल्म देखते हैं. कैसे बोलना चाहिए था हमें?
I watch
मूवीज,
movies.
I watch movies on Sunday.
Movies on Sunday.
या हम गाना वाना नहीं सुनते हैं, मजा नहीं आता.
I don't listen
I don't listen songs.
Incident.
songs. So
I don't listen to songs. You
I
too.
don't listen
To
songs.
listen to. I don't listen
Listen.
to.
Songs.
I don't listen to songs.
Songs.
I don't listen to songs. This is a sentence for Sulekha. Sulekha, हम अपने हस्बैंड के दोस्त से बात नहीं करते हैं. Say it in English.
My husband told
हम बात नहीं करते. हम बात नहीं करते सुलेखा.
we told my husband
हम मतलब आप सुलेखा. आप अकेली हैं. आप ही नहीं बोलती हैं. आप अपने आप को आई बोलती हैं सुलेखा.
I don't talk my husband friends.
Very
Very
good. Very good. I don't talk to my husband's friends. I don't talk to my
My
husband's
husband's
friends.
friends.
I don't talk to my husband's friends. Friends, plural, okay?
Yes.
So guys, remember this is a very simple thing. Plural. In general, we use plural, okay? So she flies 747s. अब समझ में आया क्यों ऐसा लगा है दोस्तों?
Yes.
I fly, she flies 747s from London Heathrow to New York
Sir, I will come
JFK.
back after 10 minutes.
Sure, no problem. She flies 747s from London Heathrow to New York JFK 3 times a week. How often? How often does she fly?
3 times.
How often?
She flies 3 times in a week.
इसमें in क्यों डाला?
So, she flies 3 times a week, sir.
हाँ, तो मैंने पूछा in क्यों डाला? हाँ.
हफ्ते में
जाओ ले लो.
हफ्ते में
हाँ हिंदी में वैसे बोलते हैं संयुक्ता मैम. लेकिन इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलते हैं? ये सामने किताब सिखा रही है
3
हमें.
times a week.
A week, sir.
तो मेरा पॉइंट वही रहेगा. हमें ऑब्जर्व करके सीखने की आदत डालनी होगी. और अगर हम अपने ऑब्जर्वेशन को सामने बंद कर देंगे और दिमाग लगा के बोलेंगे हिंदी के इंग्लिश के हिसाब से, तो फिर बुक का सामने से जो आ रहा है वो हेल्प नहीं करेगा.
3 times
एवरीबॉडी
a
रिमेम्बर दिस. ये छोटी सी चीज थी, यहाँ इन डाल दिया आपने. कल कुछ और रहेगा, वहां पे आपका कॉमन सेंस कहेगा ये डाल दो क्योंकि सही लगेगा. लेकिन आपको कॉमन सेंस से नहीं बोलना. आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे कि सामने फ्रेज कैसा बना. 3 times a week. अच्छा. हाउ ऑफन डज शी फ्लाई?
3 times a week.
हाउ ऑफन डू यू ब्रश योर टीथ?
2 times a day.
It's a phrase.
One time a day.
No, bad, very bad. If you love your teeth, then don't brush at least 2 times a day, or maybe 3 times a day. Because when you brush your teeth once, the toothpaste can save your teeth only for maximum 12 hours, not for longer than that. After 12 hours, all those things, the acidic, stuff start to affect your teeth. So after 12 hours, you must brush your teeth. Maximum 12 hours. It's better to brush every 8 hours. Yes, Devendra.
Sorry, sir, can you explain again this? We are using a in place of on.
Yes, this is right in front of you, Devendra. And I will say,
Yes,
you
sir.
read this and understand. English people do not know how we speak Hindi. They don't know that, okay? They live
Yes,
so
sir.
far away from us. They have no idea of how we speak Hindi. But we can see how they speak English and we can learn from them. So when you read this sentence, she flies 747s from London Heathrow to New York JFK 3 times a week. It's very easy to understand the meaning of this sentence and in meaning of this phrase in particular, 3 times a week. And if you learn 3 times a week, आप इसकी हिंदी मत करिए, आप पूरे सेंटेंस की हिंदी करिएगा, okay? She flies 747s from London Heathrow to New York JFK 3 times a week. All right, fine. बहुत अच्छी बात है। तो मैंने पूछ दिया आपसे,
Yes, sir.
सवाल क्या पूछा था? What was my question?
Sir, इन
What
लगाया था
often
किसी
she
How
flies?
often?
How
What often?
often, है ना? कितनी
How
दफे के लिए
often?
कौन सा सवाल है सुलेखा? कितनी बार के लिए कौन सा सवाल था? How often, यही पूछा था ना मैंने। गौर करिए
Yes.
किताब
How
पे,
often?
मेरे मुंह से निकली हुई बातों पे। इसी को गौर करना को इंग्लिश सीखना कहते हैं दोस्तों, ठीक है? किसी टीचर ने आपसे इंग्लिश में बात करके आपको सिखाया नहीं ना, इसलिए आप टीचर के भाषा पे गौर करके आप सीख नहीं पाते हैं। अभी आदत नहीं है उस बात की, क्योंकि बाकी टीचर्स हिंदी में बोल के समझाते हैं आपको। बट व्हेन आई टीच यू एंड व्हेन आई टॉक टू यू, आई प्रेफर इंग्लिश। व्हाई? Because I want you guys to learn from my speaking. Okay? How often does she fly? She flies 3 times
Three
a
times.
week. And then I
Yes, sir.
asked another question. How often do you brush your teeth? How often do you brush your teeth? Answer, Deven.
2 times a day.
2 times a day.
2 times a day, right? And last question for all of you. How often do you have your meals?
3 times a day.
Three times a day. 3
3
time a
times
day.
a day.
Okay.
3 times a day.
हाँ,
3 times a day.
these are silly mistakes के लिए मैं क्या ही करूंगा, मैं छोड़ दूंगा आप लोगों पे, तो वो धीरे धीरे आप सिली मिस्टेक्स को करेक्ट कर ले। अब किसी ने 3 टाइम बोल दिया, दैट्स अ सिली
How
मिस्टेक।
often do you meal?
Do you have your meals? How often do you have your meals, right? और भी सब तरीके, बहुत सारे सवाल पूछे जा सकते हैं ना हाउ ऑफन से। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाउ ऑफन do you go to the cinema? How often do you go to the cinema? Not very often. Not very often. What's your answer, everybody? Not very often.
Not very often.
Some people will say never. Some people will say never, maybe.
Never. I
Yeah.
go.
I
Yeah,
never got.
I
Remember,
never go to cinema.
remember we talked about those frequency adverbs? Sometimes, usually, always, never. So in this case, your answer can be never, right? I never go to the cinema. Maybe. Sana, do you go to the cinema, Sana?
Never.
Never. See, so you can say this, never. How often? Never. In 3 times a week, 2 times a day. Very good. Sometimes doctors give you tablets and the doctor says, take these tablets 3 times a day. Right?
Yes.
So, Devendra, you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अच्छा ये बताओ आप सब लोग कि यही सामने लिखा हुआ था ना, उसी को ना हमें ऑब्जर्व करके हमने अपना बना लिया। अब उस फ्रेज को जो अब तक नहीं था अपना, सामने आया उसको अपना बना लिया। क्या करके? ऑब्जर्व करके, उसको पढ़ के, उस पर ध्यान थोड़ा दे करके। यही काम आपको अकेले में करना है घर पे सीखने के लिए। रीड करिए इस इरादे से कि जो लिखा है वो मेरे दिमाग में जाके बैठे, हम वैसे ही सेंटेंसेस फॉर्म कर सके। एक आखिरी सवाल, हाउ मच वाटर डू यू ड्रिंक? अभी
I
मैंने
drink
हाउ ऑफन नहीं बोला, क्या कहा? हाउ मच वाटर डू यू ड्रिंक?
how much
3 to
water?
4 liter a day.
Got it? She drinks 3 or 4 liters
I
of
don't.
water.
I don't know how much I drink a day.
You don't know how much you
How
drink.
much I
You
drink
never
water a
measured.
day.
Yeah, you never measured how much
Never.
water you drink. Yeah. Yeah, young kids can answer this way, but grown-up people answer differently. Like Apurva did 3 or 4 liters. Yeah, I try to drink 3 or 4 liters of water every day too. Okay, तो ऐसे सीखना है दोस्तों, और खास करके सीखते समय ये अपना दिमाग तेज होना चाहिए, ऐसा कि एहसास हो कि अरे हिंदी में ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं, ये एहसास करना तुम्हारा काम है। तुम्हें हिंदी आती है, इसलिए तुम खुद कंपेयर कर सकते हो। कह रही हिंदी में ऐसे नहीं बोलते, हिंदी में मैं लगा देते हैं। कोई बिना मैं के हिंदी बोल सकता है? बताओ, बोल के दिखाओ। इस सवाल में भी पूछेंगे कितना दिन, एक दिन में कितना बार ब्रश करते हो? एक दिन में 2 बार, दिन में 2 बार, दिन में 2 बार। मैं आ जाता है ना।
Yes.
लेकिन
Yes,
इंग्लिश
sir.
अंग्रेजों को नहीं पता कि हम मैं बोलते हैं, और उनको पता भी चल जाएगा तो वो अपनी इंग्लिश नहीं बदलेंगे, ठीक है। वो वैसी इंग्लिश बोलते रहेंगे जैसे उनकी आदत है। और कैसे बोलते हैं वो? आई ब्रश ट्वाइस अ डे।
I twice a day.
एनी प्रॉब्लम्स एनीवन?
No, sir.
We can move
Thank you,
on.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
She earns 75,000 pounds a year. She earns 75,000 pounds a year. Again, did you notice the same thing?
Hey, yeah.
Yes, she earns 75,000 pounds a year. New York is my favorite city, she says. New York is my favorite city. Number 5, it doesn't have open spaces and parks like London, but I like it. She says, New York is my favorite city. Very nice. It doesn't have open spaces and parks like London. तो लंदन के बारे में क्या पता चला? What did we learn about London from this sentence?
London has open space and park.
बहुत अच्छे। बस ऐसे ही
And
मैं
many
पूछता हूँ,
parks.
वैसा ऐसी बातें पूछता हूँ जो एकदम सामने से हो। ओके, आप लोगों ने देखा कैसे संयुक्ता मैम ने कितने आसानी से कह दिया। मैंने कुछ सेंटेंस पढ़ा आपके लिए। न्यूयॉर्क इज माय फेवरेट सिटी। इट डजंट हैव ओपन स्पेसेस एंड पार्क्स लाइक लंदन। तो इस सेंटेंस से लंदन के बारे में क्या पता चला अभिषेक?
लंदन के बारे में पता चला कि London has open space and parks
Open
Open
spaces.
spaces, parks.
and parks.
has open spaces and
Open spaces and
देख
parks.
रहे हो प्लूरल? देख रहे हो दोस्तों? प्लूरल देख रहे हो? प्लूरल का जलवा है दोस्तों। ओके, प्लूरल। जब तक जरूरत ना पड़े सिंगुलर की, प्लूरल। हम लोग सब चाहते हैं कि नहीं प्लूरल? बताओ। प्लूरल गर्लफ्रेंड्स, प्लूरल वाइफ्स, हाँ, प्लूरल चिल्ड्रन। वी डोंट वांट प्लूरल, प्लूरल सैलरीज, हाँ। कम ऑन। तो प्लूरल इज बेटर, ओके, देन सिंगुलर। बोलोगे सर अभी बीमार पड़े, अभी सुधरे हो नहीं अभी तक, हाँ। चलो ठीक है। It doesn't have open spaces and parks like London. My wife suffered because of me 2 days, because when I had this fever, I felt cold. So the fan in my room was off, and it was very hot for other people. So nobody was in my room other than my wife. She did not say, I will sleep in another room because you're keeping the fan off. She stayed with me. And I can tell you, I felt really, really big gratitude for her. I won't want her to be sick so that I can take care of her. No, that's not what I'm wishing for. Okay. New York is my favorite city.
She is a very gentle lady, sir.
She is very caring.
Very caring. Very nice lady.
Yeah, that's why you guys are
You are
friends.
lucky. No. You are lucky.
I am.
Yes, sir.
I
मतलब जैसे लेडीज होती है ना, मतलब बिहार शरीफ में जिस तरह से लेडीज लोग हैं,
हाँ,
बोलने वाली, लड़ने वाली, उस तरह की नहीं है सर।
exactly. Majority are like that.
बहुत अच्छी है।
Especially when they earn money, they don't really listen, but she doesn't care about it that she earns money, she's very down to earth. And with
हाँ,
me,
yes.
she's very, very caring.
हाँ, नहीं ऐसे भी आपके साथ है वो बात अलग है,
हम्म,
आपका तो रिलेशन है, लेकिन वैसे भी वो बाहर में भी कभी किसी से ऊंचा आवाज में बात नहीं करती है, कभी नहीं। मैंने उसको कभी नहीं देखा है, कभी
ये
ऊंचा
राइट।
आवाज में बात नहीं करती है, कभी नहीं। कोई कुछ बोल भी दिया तो चुपचाप चली गई, इग्नोर कर दिया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि उसको पलट के बोलना है या उसके साथ लड़ाई करनी है।
I think she is a little डरपोक.
सर वो अपनी जेंटल लेडी है सर, जिस
I'm just
इंसान
kidding.
को अपना
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
नहीं सर,
Because she's not very strong, you know. She is small and slim. So maybe she thinks that if she fights with
फिर
somebody,
क्या
they
हुआ?
will they will
वो जो
take.
स्ट्रांग और हेल्दी रहता है वो क्या लड़ाई करता है? ऐसा बात नहीं है। ऐसा बात नहीं है, ये नेचर की बात है।
You're right. Absolutely. So it doesn't have open spaces and parks like London. Beta, it means what?
लंदन।
Read again.
London, sir. London.
Read again.
London.
Read again. Read again.
New York, sir.
न्यूयॉर्क सर।
हाँ,
New
okay.
York, sir.
Talking about New
New
York.
York.
They're talking
Exactly.
about New York.
Exactly. New York is my favorite city. It doesn't have open spaces. New York doesn't have open spaces and parks like London, but I like it. So she's comparing London and New York are different. London has a lot of open spaces and parks. New York doesn't have open spaces and parks, but still she likes New York. Now, does it mean that she likes open spaces and parks? Do you get that feeling that she likes open spaces and parks?
Yes sir. I
No,
like.
she does.
हाँ बेटा. Otherwise, why would she
Yes,
why would she mention this
yes,
point,
she
बेटा?
does. It's for open spaces and park.
ये सब चीजें हम लोग को करना चाहिए दोस्तों. इसको कहते हैं कनेक्टिंग द डॉट्स. सुलेखा, शाजिया, ये सब इस बात पे ध्यान दे कि ट्रांसलेशन करके हमें कुछ चीजें पता चलती हैं, राइट? लेकिन सोचने समझने से बहुत सी चीजें पता चलती हैं. मैंने पूछ दिया क्या डज शी लाइक ओपन स्पेसेस एंड पार्क्स, तो एक तरह से यस. नहीं, अगर उसको फर्क पड़ता तो क्यों मेंशन करती कि लंदन के तरह तो नहीं है लेकिन अच्छा लगता है. क्यों उसको लंदन पसंद है? व्हाई डज शी लाइक लंदन? बिकॉज लंदन हैज ओपन स्पेसेस एंड पार्क्स. शी सेड दैट. I like shopping on sorry, I go shopping on Fifth Avenue. I go shopping on Fifth Avenue. Fifth Avenue, capital F, capital A. Again, a proper noun. It is a place, a proper noun in New York. And she goes shopping there. She goes shopping on Fifth Avenue. And I watch shows on Broadway. Broadway is also capital B letters, B word. So it is also a proper noun, dear students. So she's telling you what she does in New York. She likes going shopping on Fifth Avenue and she watches shows on Broadway. Now, she's married to Bill. Repetition, हम लोग को एक बार फिर से सीखने का मौका मिला. अगर भूल गए थे तो she is married to Bill. अगर इसके बाद भी कुछ लोग, क्या होता है मेरे दोस्त, आप में से कुछ का फोकस नहीं रहता है क्लास में. हम आपको लगता है सर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट अभी नहीं बोल रहे हैं, तो क्या होता है आप ध्यान नहीं देते. और इस वजह से ये टू बिल मैंने बोला आप नहीं ध्यान दोगे. कई लोग ऐसा होता है कि नहीं देते और हम आगे बढ़ जाते. और बाद में उनसे पूछा तो कहते हैं मैरिड विद बिल, बिल के साथ शादी हुआ उसका. लेकिन नहीं, करेक्ट प्रीपोजिशन क्या है? शी इज मैरिड टू बिल, comma, who is an accountant. And they have 3 children. Okay, Bill is an accountant. Okay, she is married to Bill, comma, who is an accountant. ये question है क्या? Who is an
No sir.
accountant?
No sir.
नहीं,
No, sir.
ये
So
सवाल
Bill
नहीं
is
है.
an accountant. Her
Exactly.
husband, her
Accountant.
husband is an accountant.
Right. सुलेखा, अगर मैं यहाँ बिल के बाद फुल स्टॉप पर लगा दूं, कॉमा हटा के, she is married to Bill, फुल स्टॉप, तो फिर आगे who is an accountant नहीं लिख पाएंगे. फिर लिखेंगे he is an accountant.
Yes, sir.
She is married to Bill, full stop. He is an accountant, full stop.
Yes,
Let me give you guys some sentences here, okay? Read it with capital R. I have by mistake written with a small r, but you guys read it with capital R. Rani is a student, full stop. She lives in Taiwan. You see, there are two sentences. Rani is a student. She lives in Taiwan. If I want to write
Hello,
in one
sir.
sentence, hello, Shabnam.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sorry
How are
for
you
being
doing?
late because sir, I am fine, but and
Yeah.
you, sir?
I'm doing okay. I think you just finished your classes, right?
Okay. Yes.
Have you just
I
finished your
went to
class?
market, sir,
Oh, I see. I see.
so I get late.
Uh,
I
you,
got
you
late.
went you
Yes.
went shopping?
Yes, sir.
Mhm,
Because after one month,
mhm.
my younger brother's wedding.
Oh, it's your younger brother's wedding.
So
Okay.
yeah,
कैसे
so
बोलना
I
था?
am engaged.
कैसे बोलना था? It is my.
I am
No. After 1 month, it's. आपने बोला after 1 month, my younger brother's wedding.
yes,
ठीक है दोस्तों,
yes,
गौर
sir.
करें. गौर करें सेंटेंस में.
Yes.
After 1 month, my younger brother's wedding. ये इंग्लिश सेंटेंस नहीं है, क्योंकि इंग्लिश सेंटेंस में एक सब्जेक्ट होता है, एक वर्ब होता है ना?
Mm.
तो इसको इंग्लिश सेंटेंस कैसे बना सकते हैं? बनाइए दोस्तों.
Wedding after 1 month.
हाँ.
My younger brother.
After 1 month, my younger brother
Getting
will
नहीं,
get married.
बहुत अच्छे बेटा, बहुत अच्छे. लेकिन हम लोग उस तरह से नहीं जा करके खाली इतना बोलना चाहे कि 1 महीना बाद मेरे भाई की शादी है. ठीक है, आप
Yes,
सही
sir.
थे बेटा, बट देयर इज अनदर वे, इजी वे बेटा. आफ्टर 1 month, इट्स माय ब्रदर्स वेडिंग. इट्स.
Yes, sir.
अब जैसे इट्स बोल दिए तो क्या हो गया?
Yes,
इट इज आ गया, सब्जेक्ट भी आ
yes,
गया, वर्ब भी
yes.
आ गया बेटा. बोलिए, आफ्टर 1 month, इट्स माय ब्रदर्स वेडिंग.
After 1 month.
After 1 month, it's
After
my
1 month.
younger
ब्रदर्स.
brother's wedding.
After 1 month, it's my younger brother's wedding.
अब इसमें एक और करेक्शन कर देता हूँ दोस्तों. आफ्टर 1 month की जगह बोल दो नेक्स्ट मंथ.
Yes, sir. I can see. I can say.
Next month, it's my younger brother's wedding.
Yes.
Okay. So remember, when you speak in English, your sentences should have a subject and a verb. Slowly and slowly, you guys will get used to these things. Now, here are two sentences. Rani is a student. She lives in Taiwan. I want to bring them together. I want to bring them together and make one sentence. I can say Rani is a student, comma.
Rani is a student who
Comma.
lives in a who lives in a
Mama who
Taiwan.
lives in Taiwan.
Very good. Understand everybody?
Yes.
Rani is a student, comma, who lives in Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Okay. She's married to Bill, who is an accountant. So she's married to Bill, full stop. Bill is an accountant, right?
Yes, sir.
And they have 3 children. The children go to Sassoon House School. The children go to Sassoon House School. All right. Capital S, capital H, capital S, clearly the name of the school, right? The children go to Sassoon House School.
Yeah.
Number
गिर
9.
जाएगा मारा नहीं.
Number 9. Number 9.
Don't take.
I don't take the children to school. I don't take the children to school. Bill does. I don't take the children to school. Bill does. I don't take the children to school. Bill does.
Explain, Helen.
I don't eat, sweets a lot. My brother does. हम नहीं खाते ज्यादा मिठाई, भाई खाता है मेरा. I don't eat a lot of sweets. My brother does. हम नहीं बोलते झूठ, तुम बोलते हो. I don't tell lies. You do.
Yes. You do. So you
Please.
do what you speak over here.
सीखना है, सामने लिखा है मेरे भाई, मेरी शबनम, आप देखें यहाँ, गौर करें. I don't take the children to school. Bill does. इससे क्या सीखा हमने? ऑब्जर्व करना बहुत जरूरी है दोस्तों. मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ आप लोगों को कि आप अगर सीखना चाहते हैं तो सामने वाले के सिखाने पे रहोगे तो आप उसके गुलाम बन के रह जाओगे, राइट. लेकिन अगर आपने अपनी आंखें खोल दी सीखने के लिए, फिर आप इंडिपेंडेंट लर्न करोगे खुद के दम पे. देखो क्या लिखा है नंबर 9 में, शबनम गौर करना. I don't take the children to school. Bill does. क्या हुआ इसका मतलब दोस्तों? हम नहीं ले जाते बच्चा लोग को स्कूल. I don't take the children to school. Bill does. बिल ले जाता है.
Bill does.
है ना? हम नहीं ले
Yes.
जाते, बिल ले जाता है. हम नहीं लाते हैं दूध सुबह में, रनवा लाता है,
पापा लाते हैं.
पापा लाते हैं. ठीक है. I don't bring
Milk.
milk.
In the morning.
Yeah. पापा
My
लाते हैं.
father does.
Yeah.
Father does.
Exactly.
does.
Yeah. Very good. Very nice. Any problems,
I
anyone?
don't bring vegetables.
No,
My
sir.
mom does.
Very good, Vadi beta. Very good.
Mhm.
Keep going, everybody. Do you have another example like that? Notice how
Yes, sir.
Adib connects his learning to his life. है ना? जो सीखता है उसको अपने लाइफ से कनेक्ट करके कुछ बता देता है. उसने कहा I don't bring vegetables. Mummy does.
Mummy does.
Very good, beta. Anybody else?
I don't cook food. My sister does.
ओके अभिषेक, वेल ट्राइड. आपको वैसे ही कहूंगा अभिषेक कि आपको खूब समय देना है इंग्लिश में. ठीक है. अब बोलेंगे मेरे सेंटेंस में कुछ खराबी है, क्यों बोल रहे हैं सर? ओ, ये पता चल जाता है मुझे कि कहाँ कमी है. कमी सिर्फ समय देने में. अभिषेक, आप काफी दिन एब्सेंट हो गए ना क्लास से, तो बस समय दीजिए, खूब समय दीजिए. रोज आधे एक घंटे ऑडियो फाइल सुनना है, रिकॉर्डिंग देखना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है. दैट्स ऑल. We do not say cook and food together, Abhishek. Okay. Carry on, people. Do you have some
I do
sentence?
not give. I don't give fee of my children. My husband does.
I don't pay the fee for my
Yes.
children's classes. I don't pay the fee for my children's classes.
My
Okay.
husband does.
My husband does. Very good.
Pay fee.
I don't teach
Sir,
the student. My mom does.
Very good. I don't teach children. My mom does. Very good.
I don't play cricket. My friend does.
My friend XYZ does. Otherwise, my friends do. Friends, plural, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. In a jhagada, in a fight, in a quarrel, you often say this line. I don't lie. You do. Children do that. Children have this argument because grown-up people are mature. They don't say these things. But children often say, I don't tell lies. You do. हम नहीं
हम
झूठ
तुमको
बोलते.
नहीं मारे, तुम हमको मारा.
वो थोड़ा
I
दूसरा हो
don't
जाएगा.
beat you.
ना 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 ना
नहीं
ना
बोले,
दी बेटा,
तुम
वो थोड़ा
बोले.
हम
दूसरा हो
झूठ
जाएगा.
नहीं बोले हैं, तुम
हम
झूठ
झूठ
बोले।
नहीं
हाँ.
बोले, तुम बोले.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. ओके. तो थोड़ा और कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, इट्स ओके, नॉट अ बिग डील. अदीप बेटा, वो अलग सेंटेंस है बेटा, उसमें बहुत सी चीजें बदल गई. अदीप, आपने कहा हम तुमको नहीं मारे थे, तुम हमको मारा था. तो इसमें बात पूरी उल्टी हुई है. ठीक है. आई डिड नॉट हिट यू, यू हिट मी. पूरा बोलना पड़ता है बेटा. ठीक है. तो आई डोंट टेक द चिल्ड्रन टू स्कूल. बिल डज. हम नहीं बर्तन धोते हैं, नौकरानी धोती है ना?
I don't wash.
I don't do the washing up. I don't do the
Washing.
I don't do the washing up. Remember, guys, do the washing up. Remember the phrase, do the washing up. Bartan dhona. Do the washing up. Okay. I don't do the washing up. My maid does.
तो बर्तन को यूटेंसिल्स में कहते हैं ना?
हाँ बिल्कुल कहते हैं सब लोग।
कहते हैं। इसको कैसे
So we
बोलेंगे
can
सर?
say
I
I was.
वो हम बर्तन नहीं धोते वो सेंटेंस।
yes sir.
I don't do the washing up. I don't do the
I
washing.
don't wash.
I don't do the washing up. I don't do the washing up. My maid does. My husband does. ऐसे करके बोलते हैं। ये ज़ेबा के ख्यालों में एकदम ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, राइट ज़ेबा? ऐसे ही हस्बैंड होना चाहिए। ज़ेबा बाद में बोलेगा, I don't do the washing up. My husband does every night after coming back from work. All right. So ये बात सही है, यूटेंसिल मतलब बर्तन होता है, लेकिन जरूरी नहीं कि बर्तन यूटेंसिल मतलब बर्तन होता है तो बर्तन धोना के लिए हम यूटेंसिल वर्ड यूज करके बोले, ये जरूरी नहीं है। और फिर से बताऊंगा आपको कि एक तरीका है सीखने का, उसमें क्या होता है ना कि आपको कुछ वोकैबुलरी सिखाई जाती है और कुछ ग्रामर बताया जाता है, फिर आप उन दोनों को मिला करके इंग्लिश बोलते हैं। जैसे आपने यूटेंसिल मतलब बर्तन सीखा और वॉश मतलब धोना सीखा और बाद में ग्रामर पढ़ा और फिर आपने कहा आई वॉश यूटेंसिल्स, ठीक है, मैं बर्तन धोती हूँ। इसको कहते हैं काम चलाऊ इंग्लिश, ठीक है, कि बात समझ में आ जाएगी। लेकिन अंग्रेज ऐसे बोलते नहीं है, कोई नहीं बोलता आई वॉश यूटेंसिल्स, कभी नहीं। अगर आप दूसरा तरीका है कि आप भाषा सुन के सीखें, जो मैं अपॉर्चुनिटी देता हूँ आप लोगों को सुनने का और सीखने का, पढ़ने का और सीखने का, तो उसमें आपको दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ता उतना ज्यादा कि इसको कैसे करेंगे, वैसे आप सुन के सीख जाओगे। जैसे अगर आपने कोई ऐसे इंसान को सुना जिसने कहा आई डोंट डू द वॉशिंग अप, तो आप पूछोगे क्या हुआ, आई डोंट डू द
Washing up, sir.
हाँ बिल्कुल, आई डोंट डू
Washing up.
एग्जैक्टली।
वॉशिंग अप में सर बर्तन धोना, कपड़े धोना तो आ सकता है।
नहीं नहीं, आप हटाएंगे तो कपड़े धोना, ये पानी है थोड़ा इंग्लिश में, आप हटा दोगे ना तो फिर कपड़े धोना हो जाएगा, और आप लगा दोगे तो बर्तन धोना हो जाएगा।
अच्छा ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
If you drop the word up, then it is कपड़े धोना,
Yes, sir.
and if you use the word up, then it is बर्तन धोना।
बर्तन धोना, yes, sir.
अब बोले मैं
I
कपड़े धो
understand
देती हूँ,
well.
हस्बैंड बर्तन धो देते हैं, कैसे बोलेंगे?
I wash.
I wash.
I do the washing. I do the washing.
I do the washing, and
And
husband does
he does the
I
washing up.
washing up.
सिखाता हूँ फिर से आप लोग को, गौर से सुनिए। I do the washing, हम कपड़े धो देते हैं, and he does the washing up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abhishek, you wanted to say you don't do the cooking, your sister does. आप कहना चाहते थे कि आप खाना नहीं बनाते हैं। Abhishek doesn't do the cooking, guys. Abhishek doesn't do the cooking. Abhishek doesn't do the cooking. His
My
sister
sister
does. Yeah. Everybody, I hope you understood.
yes.
Yes.
Yes sir.
I don't watch anime. My daughter does. हम नहीं देखते हैं एनिमे, बेटियां देखते। सपोज मेरे यूट्यूब पे ढेर सारा दिखा हुआ है एनिमे एनिमे एनिमे, ओके, तो you watch anime, sir? No, I don't watch anime. My daughter does. I hope you understand. The context is important. कहाँ ये बातचीत हुई? Suppose there is, a lot of recommendations. There are a lot of recommendations of anime videos on my YouTube. तो आपने मुझसे देख कर कहा, sir, you watch anime? क्योंकि वहाँ पे जब रिकमेंडेशन में आया तो आपको लगेगा, मैं कहूँगा ना ना, I don't watch anime. My daughter does.
My daughter does.
है ना, हम नहीं देखते हैं, मेरी बेटी देखती है।
बेटी
Yes.
Anime means video sir.
Anime is actually a cartoon, animation.
Yes, sir.
Japanese and
Yes, sir.
Korean and all these things. You know, children are nowadays they're crazy about these things.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. So I don't take the children to school. Take the children to school. Take the children to school. देखो एक सेंटेंस को कितने एंगल से एक्सप्लॉइट करना है समझना है. अभी प्रैक्टिस कर ली. अब हम दूसरे हिस्से पे आपका ध्यान दे जाएंगे. Take the children to school. Take the children to school. मैं हिंदी नहीं कर रहा. आप खाली इंग्लिश को दोहरा रहा हूं आपसे ताकि आपके जहन में वो अरेंजमेंट आए. आप जब बोलना चाहते हो हिंदी बोलने में कोई मुश्किल नहीं किसी को. इंग्लिश बोलने में मुश्किल है. इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स नहीं आते मुंह पे. तो प्लीज रिपीट करो मेरे दोस्तों. टेक द चिल्ड्रन टू स्कूल.
Take the children to school.
Take the
Don't
children to
bring-
school.
don't
Will take the children to school.
Take the children to school. In some families, papas are very busy in the morning. You know, they
Yes,
go
sir.
to work. So mamas
Take the children to school.
take the children to
Take
school.
the children to school.
Right? Some husbands normally do not go out with their wives. Okay. They normally do not go out with their wives. But on a special days, they take their wives to restaurants. Right? Some
Yes.
husbands normally don't go out with their wives. But on a special days, for example, their anniversary, for example, their wife's birthday, they take their wives to cinema, restaurants, right?
Yes.
They take their wives to the restaurant. So the boy proposes to the girl. The girl says, all right, I'll marry you, but answer one question. Film दिखाओगे? Film ले जाओगे? कैसे बोलेगी इंग्लिश में? Will you? Will you?
You go to cinema.
अभी तो सामने, अभी तो दिखाया, अभी सिखाया. Will you?
Cinema.
Will you go to cinema?
मेरे बच्चे वो क्या कर रहे हैं मेरे बच्चे? अभी सिखाया
Will
तुम्हें.
you take? Will you
Take
take?
me to cinema.
हाँ
Will you
इरशाद.
Take to cinema.
Will you take to cinema?
क्या 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 कर रहे हो आप लोग? देखो फिर से कह रहा हूँ, आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन की जब तक नजरें नहीं खुलवाऊंगा तब तक ये सब चीजें होती रहेंगी. वहां देखो क्या था. आई डोंट टेक द चिल्ड्रन टू स्कूल. तो एक ले जाने वाला है, किसी को ले जाया जाता है, कहीं ले जाया जाता है. ये सब जगह गौर करिए, सब हिस्से को गौर करिए, उसके बाद बोलिए.
You will take the.
देखो कोई ले जाता है, किसी को ले जाता है, कहीं ले जाता है. 3 हिस्से होते हैं ना.
Yes.
बोलिए. विल यू? अच्छा बोलिए, मेरे हस्बैंड हमको सिनेमा नहीं ले जाते.
To.
मेरे
My
हस्बैंड हमको
husband do not
Take
doesn't
Take to.
doesn't
My papa doesn't take me to the
My-
cinema.
Doesn't take to.
बहुत अच्छा दीप बेटा, बहुत अच्छा. कुछ गौर कर रहे हो दीप? क्या तुम सही सही फटाक फटाक बोल देते हो, बाकी लोग सोचते रहते हैं हाँ कैसे हुआ ऐसा? दीप क्या किया तुमने? बहुत मेहनत करा है नहीं ना? बस खाली यही हुआ, छोटा बच्चा है, उसको एक्सपोजर मिलता रहा लैंग्वेज का. और अभी आप देखेंगे कैसे उसकी नई नई फुनगियां निकलेंगी उस टहनी में. नए नए पत्ते तेजी से निकलेंगे और ये घना हो जाएगा. बहुत जल्दी होगा दीप.
Prepare.
How are
देखो.
you, sir?
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm also fine, sir.
Yeah, I'm okay. Not really at my best, but I'm okay. I'm enjoying being back at work. I was feeling really bored staying at home doing nothing, but I'm still very weak. And that's why my voice doesn't have that strength. Where did Shazia go?
Shazia is with me, sir.
She's there. Oh, yeah, yeah. And the other sister, Zara, where is she?
She have something. She have something back.
They're both your cousins or they're both your own sisters?
No, sir. Sadia is my cousin and she is my own sister.
Okay, yeah, I get. You often come, with Shazia, but not at her place. That's why I said this.
Yeah, sir, because I am.
You quarrel more with Zara.
Yes, sir.
I know. People quarrel more with their own sisters. गौर करें आप लोग, इसमें 3 हिस्से हैं। अगर आप ऐसे देखोगे ना तो आसान रहेगा। कोई भी कहीं किसी को ले जाएगा तो ले जाने वाला होगा, किसी को ले जाएगा और कहीं ले जाएगा। 3 हिस्से होंगे ना। तो यहाँ लिखा है आई डोंट टेक द चिल्ड्रन। जिसको ले जाया जाता है वो टेक के बाद आता है ना। आई डोंट टेक द चिल्ड्रन टू स्कूल। तो आप कहना चाह रहे हैं मेरे हस्बैंड हमको स्कूल ये नहीं ले जाते, सिनेमा नहीं ले जाते। माय हस्बैंड डजंट टेक
cinema.
मी किस छोड़ आप मुझे नहीं ले जाते, आप बताना चाहिए। जैसे बच्चे को नहीं ले जाते वैसे
My husband doesn't take me to cinema.
हाँ, नाउ इट मेक सेंस, बेटर सेंस। तो ऐसे
Yes.
ऑब्जर्व। अच्छा, आप मानेंगे कि नहीं आप लोग कि आप लोग वेट करते हैं कोई और बताएगा, आप ऑब्जर्व नहीं करते ना। और ये ऑब्जर्व जब करना शुरू करोगे ना, आप ना 3 दुगनी रात चौगनी इंग्लिश सीखोगे। यू गाइस विल लर्न मच फास्टर।
सर,
यार दीपिका बेटा,
मेरे को लगा छुट्टी होगा।
और छुट्टियां चाहिए तुम्हें? इतने दिन छुट्टियों से मन नहीं भरा?
नहीं, आज रवि भैया आपसे मिलने आए थे ना, इसलिए हमको लगा क्या छुट्टी होगा।
रवि भैया नहीं आए आज मिलने? आज नहीं आए? कहाँ आ गए? बिहार से वो लोग वापस आ गए?
नहीं, रवि भैया
गांव पे है क्या?
नहीं, आए थे मेरे पास कल और बोले थे कि आज जाएंगे आपके।
Oh, okay. He told me, he called me, but he hasn't come yet.
हम अगले क्लास में पूछ लेंगे।
Sure. तो आप देख रहे हो ना, इजी है दोस्तों। My husband doesn't take me to the cinema. Okay? हम तुमको सिनेमा ले चलेंगे। I will take you to the cinema. सिनेमा दिखाओगे? Will you take me to the cinema? Will you take me to the cinema?
Take me to the cinema.
Yeah. तो वाइफ ने गुस्से में कहा go to hell. वाइफ ने गुस्से में कहा go to hell. तो हस्बैंड ने क्या कहा साथ में? I will take you with me. I will
Take you with me. मैं भी
I will
तुम्हें
take
साथ
you
ले
with me.
जाऊंगा।
Yeah, exactly. Okay. I'll take you with me. ध्यान दिया करें इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स पे, अरेंजमेंट पे। साकिब, it is still the earlier class.
Sorry, sir. I'm.
It's all right. It's all right. No
I
problem.
I was trying, sir.
Uh-huh.
It is working or not? So it's working.
Yeah, of course. See you later. 10 minutes. Yeah.
सर,
Bye.
Yes, बेटा. Bye bye.
अभी आप go to hell बोले थे, इसका hell means क्या होता है?
भाड़ में जाओ।
जहन्नम, नरक।
भाड़ में जाओ।
भाड़ में जाओ, जहन्नम में जाओ। Go to hell. You didn't know that, Deepika?
Hell means नरकी होता है।
So she didn't know go to hell means what. Okay, good. Now I'm feeling bad कि मैंने उसको बता दिया, नहीं बताना था। कितनी innocent थी, नहीं जानती थी। हाँ, go to hell means बोलना मत किसी को। I don't take the children to school. Bill does. Explains Helen. Explain means
Describe.
explain. Yes, explain. To give the reason. To give the reason. Explain. For example, I was sick. Right? Classes were off. Okay. So I came here and I explained how I felt sick. So to explain means to give details. To explain means to give the reason. All right. Explain.
Yes.
Sometimes you guys can say, sir, can you explain that sentence again? Can you explain that sentence again?
Details, sir.
Yeah, one more time. All right. So I don't take the children to school. Bill does, explains Helen, because I'm away so much. She's giving the reason why she doesn't take the children to school. She explains why. Why
I
doesn't
am
she take the
away so
children?
much.
Because she is away so much. Away. She's away. She's away means she's not in her city. She's not in her country. She's away. So is your father away a lot? Deepika's father is away a lot, right, Deepika? Hmm. So guys, if somebody is away, then they are in another town, they are in another city, they are not in their own place. So, why don't you come to see me next week? My wife is away that week. What do you mean, huh? Okay, now nobody got the joke. Never mind. All right. Another example, easy example, maybe. Hey, I'm sorry I can't come to your party next week. I'm away next week. I can't come to your party next week. नहीं आ सकते? क्यों नहीं आ सकते? I'm away next week. Yeah. मतलब next week हम रहेंगे नहीं यहाँ.
Yes, sir. I can't.
Papa is away for 2-3 days. Uncle, Papa, koi aaye, somebody comes to see your father. Sorry, Uncle, Papa is not here. He is away for 2-3 days. He is away for 2-3 days. मतलब 2-3 दिन नहीं रहेंगे. हाँ नहीं है भाई. बाहर गए हुए 2-3 दिन के लिए. He is away. Everybody, I hope you understood away. और ये सारी चीजें हाईलाइट करो क्योंकि यकीन मानो ह्यूमन मेमोरी जो है इतनी स्ट्रांग नहीं होती कि एक बार कोई चीज सुन ले तो रह जाए. ओके वो भूलना लाजिमी है. इट्स अ वेरी नेचुरल phenomenon to forget what you have heard only once. So it's a nice idea to it's a good idea to underline or highlight the things that I teach so that one day later, tomorrow maybe, or later tonight, when you revise, you look at those parts. कि हाँ इसके बारे में सर कुछ बोले थे.
He is away so much.
My husband is
दूर
away
है.
so much. I need
हाईलाइट
somebody.
कर लिया करेंगे सर.
Come again, Deepika.
हाईलाइट कर लेंगे वो सब.
Yes, sweetie. If you highlight those parts which I teach with a highlighter, it will be so much better, beta. Whenever you look back at the book now, you will suddenly think of those parts. Yes, sir, ये बोले थे. Highlighter से ये फायदा था.
मेरा भी साइंस में 5 चैप्टर के बाद हर चैप्टर में हाईलाइट किए हुए हैं.
Yeah, it's a good idea, beta. Smart students highlight some important parts. I'm away so much. Helen has a hobby. Helen has a hobby. Helen has a hobby. She collects dolls from all over the world. Remember, all over the world, and here all around the world, huh? From around the world. And here, she collects dolls from all over the world. She has a hobby. You guys have hobbies too?
Yes,
I have so many hobbies. I have so many hobbies. Yeah, so
I
many
have
hobbies.
only one hobby, sir.
What is that? Cricket.
Play cricket.
Yeah, playing cricket. You should have said playing cricket.
Playing cricket.
Yeah.
I like.
और नहीं तो ऐसे ही बोल सकते हैं. Playing cricket is my hobby.
हम कंफ्यूज है मेरा हॉबी क्या है.
Deepika is confused what her hobby is. She doesn't know what her hobby is.
Drawing.
Drawing, yeah, good. It's definitely one of your hobbies. And I'll tell you another hobby you have: riding bicycles.
Huh.
Yeah.
Talking too much.
I know my daughter from Gaya very well. Yeah. Deepika, I know you. That's why I helped you. Deepika was confused about what her hobby was, but I told her, okay, I have so many hobbies. I like chess, I like playing carom, I like cricket, I like kabaddi, I like watching TV, movies.
And indoor, I like carom, sir.
Yeah. And a new hobby I told you I developed, carpentry. It's a new hobby I
हाँ
have
मेरा
now.
एक और हॉबी है
What's that?
क्राफ्टिंग
Crafting. Okay, that's lovely. Yeah. And you see, if you keep changing your hobbies in life, then
सर
there is something new, exciting all the time. Yes. Guys, it was really good to see you after such a long break. 5 days felt like a long time. And those 2 days when I was sick, I was down with fever. I was really, really awful. But now, yeah, I had planned to teach you only for half an hour, 40 minutes maybe. But with you, I did not realize when it is 7 o'clock. Okay. So we will continue tomorrow. And I want you guys to read your text again. My way. मेरे पढ़ने के तरीके से मैं कैसे पढ़ता हूँ दोस्तों उसको सीखने के लिए उसी अरेंजमेंट को सीखने के लिए जो लिखा है वहां उसकी हिंदी करने के लिए नहीं दोस्तों उस अरेंजमेंट को सीखने के लिए वहां लिखा आई डोंट टेक द चिल्ड्रन टू स्कूल तो आप बोलते हो माय हस्बैंड डज नॉट टेक मी टू द restaurant my husband does not take me to the cinema I want a different husband new husband like that so please make similar sentences read enjoy yourselves and I will see you all tomorrow okay bye bye
Thank
everyone
you.
take care
Bye.
take care
Bye.
bye bye
Bye,
bye
sir.
bye
Bye.
bye bye see ya
बाय सर
bye bye
मिलते हैं
see
अगली
you
क्लास में
see you a minute later Deepika bye bye